Hello ma'am, which editorials should I check out today?
Yes, there are two editorials from two different newspapers, and both the editorials are very important for examination perspective. Come, let's have a look. So the first editorial is from the Indian Express. This editorial is Maoist Insurgency is Dying, Now Tackle Its Causes. Now, this article discusses the decline of left-wing extremism, LWE, and or the Maoist insurgency in India, once considered the country's most serious internal security threat. Now, this is very important very relevant for UPSC in GS paper 3, which is internal security, GS paper 2, which is governance and social justice. In this, tribal rights, land reforms, development challenges in remote areas, issues in inequality, all these things will be discussed. And then it is very important for essay paper. So topics like violence is a symptom, injustice is the disease, or development is the best antidote to insurgency. All these topics are, again, they have been coming in past years also, so again it is very important. Then
Ma'am, what else?
now the next editorial is from the Hindu newspaper. Come, let's have a look. So from the Hindu newspaper, there is this editorial, Economics and a Mamdani Model, Big Apple Style. Again, this article is written by Chirantan Chatterjee, and this article discusses the idea of a new welfare economic model inspired by Zohran Mamdani. As you might already know, that he has become the mayor of New York City now, and it is written for his progressive stance on equitable welfare. It contrasts two sides of welfare economics, which is growth-focused productivity reforms and equity-focused welfare expansion. So both these are very important. It is highly relevant for UPSC. In GS paper 3, Indian economy, it is very important for welfare economics, inclusive growth and direct benefit transfers, DBTs. And in GS paper 2 also, it is again very important for governance and social justice, role of state in welfare delivery, designing efficient, transparent welfare mechanisms, global best practice in social sector schemes. And lastly, essay paper also, it is very important, and ethics paper also, it is very important, which is GS paper 4. So themes like economic growth without social justice is incomplete, or balancing efficiency with equity, dignity and inclusion as moral imperatives in public policy. All these are again important pointers. These were the two important editorials from two different newspapers, the Hindu and the Indian Express. If you want a deep dive analysis for these editorials, do visit our DNA video. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.